And hey guys, so today I just finished completing one of my videos for Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, and I decided to make a video on how I'm going to edit it and what I want to basically make it look like when I'm editing the video. So a lot of you guys have actually shown interest in my Adobe Premiere Pro skills, and a lot of you guys are interested in seeing more. So I decided to make a quick video on Adobe Premiere Pro, and hopefully you guys actually like it and see what, maybe purchase it for yourselves. So let's pick up the video. So we're gonna go over here to import the video and basically look for it. It's in Star Wars Jedi Fallen Orders. This video, you pop it in. It imports the file. So right here, as you guys can tell, we have Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, and you guys can basically look at it. You're gonna drag it to the timeline, of course, and then you're going to wait for it to confirm. And as this thing loads up, you don't really want to touch it, so we'll just give it a second to load up and stuff like that. So using Adobe Premiere Pro for almost 2 years, since 2018, I've found it as being the best editing software out there. But I have been getting recommendations on using other and trying other editing software that's free, like IMAX and Pixelated Studios, if I'm not getting that wrong. So I might actually try some other editing videos to edit my videos with editing software. Of course, I still think I'm going to stick with Adobe Premiere Pro because it's one of the best editing softwares I've ever used. So yeah, what do you guys think? Have you guys ever used Adobe Premiere Pro? Because I know I love it. And just the technique and how it shows you, and it's so really simple to edit videos. I mean, I don't know why I would change it, but let's give this a look. So the confirming it just got completed, and now you guys can see the whole video on the top right corner, and the sound is here and everything. So let's just see after playing the video and see what it looks like. And hey guys, today we're gonna be checking out Arkin from Star Wars: The Old Republic. Let's check out some of the cinematics and stuff like that. This video is mostly going to be me talking about what I want to edit, or if I'm going to edit anything, it's just me just really talking about Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can stick around. So in the top right corner, now we're going to be able to see the cinematic, and honestly,
You chose to return. Brave, but not wise.
Maybe. Marin, right? I'm Cal Kestis. What you were told about the Jedi was not true.
So you say. Cal. Maliko said many things too.
Terran Malikos might have been part of my order, but what he is now, I have no idea. All I do know is having a lightsaber isn't what makes you a Jedi.
Then what does?
We were peacekeepers. We were betrayed by those we protected.
as you guys can see, I really do like the mod that I'm doing, and I can actually show you some more stuff. So over here on the right side, you can see how loud the volume is with the pumping up and down of the green. So yeah, it's pretty great. And over here, you can unlink the stuff, so you can move the audio wherever you want. You can delete the audio, replace the audio, do whatever you want to relink it or regroup it. You just have to hold shift and then link back up, and then it's back to normal. So yeah, like this video, I know it's not something too big, but it's about Adobe Premiere Pro, and I will be testing out some of your guys' recommendations for other free software and other editing software. So, but right now I really feel like I'm gonna be sticking with Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys have any suggestions on different editing software, I mean, I'd be willing to give it a try and even make a video of me trying it if you guys are really interested in it. Another thing is you can actually slice up videos if you want with the razor tool that's found right here. And let's say you can slice this part up, and then you can go back, return to it, you can move it away. You can of course unlink the audio to this. And then you can move the audio away, and then you can move it back up and back forward, and then you can just relink it as well. And then you can put it back over here, and then to relink and group this up, you go back to hit the group on the right click, and then that's it. And then if you want to play with the audio, you can click audio gain and then power it up, but I think I like the audio how it is, but you guys can power it up, and I'll even show you guys here. I'll put it to a 10, and then we'll see how loud it gets.
Dodging won't save you. Come on!
As you guys can tell, the audio got really, loud, but you can always put it back by going back to the audio gain and putting it to 0. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to keep the video as it is because I was really happy with it, so I'm not going to really edit it too much. But, sometimes, if gameplay can go up to an hour long, then I cut it down to like 10 to 15 minutes. And then, then I basically upload it and cut out parts I don't want. But yeah, if you guys want to know more about the Arkin mod, I will basically be posting a separate video of me editing and all this stuff and rendering it to YouTube as well. But right now I'm going to upload this one first about me editing the video and stuff like that with Adobe Premiere Pro. But later on I will try out and use other methods of editing with other editing software that you guys have basically told me and asked me to use in the comment section below. So yeah, let's do the final leg on this. To finally edit the video, you have to go to Media, Export Media, and then of course you can decide what you want it to upload it to YouTube. So you can go 480p SD wide, 480p SD, then 720p HD, 1080p HD, and basically 4K if you really wanted to. It also, juggles the size of it. So if you go for 4K, it's almost 4 gigabytes big, and if you go for 1080p, it's only gig and a half. I usually go with 1080p unless I decide to do it for whatever reason for a 4K video, which is rarely, but sometimes I do if I feel like it deserves it. But right now, I feel like I'm just gonna stick with the 1080p and queue it up. Now when this queues up, it's going to open up a second program. So the Adobe Media Encoder. And then to just basically put it to render and turn it into 1080p. With of course 60 FPS. You let it render, and right here it goes with the rendering power, and it has the time set. So it calculates how long it's going to take to render. It's about probably 15 minutes from now, maybe 14. And of course it shows the video right here, what you're actually rendering and what you decided to render it as. So I'm rendering a Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, documents, Adobe files, and then 1080p. So yeah, if you guys like this video, or if you guys want to make me try any other editing software, please leave a comment down below and I'll give it a try if you guys really want me to, try something else. Or if you guys use Adobe Premiere Pro, which in my opinion, if it ain't broken, why fix it, So yeah, I will check out some other editing softwares that you guys have recommended to me in comments and stuff like that. So I wasn't really thinking that my Adobe Premiere Pro videos were going to get that popular, but, it actually attracted some comments and stuff like that to actually talk about. So I'm pretty happy that I decided to make this video and see what you guys think about it as well. So peace out, people.